Unlock the full potential of that Visa gift card, burning a hole in your pocket. Let's get it hooked up to your PayPal account for seamless online shopping. First, head over to PayPal.com and log into your account. You'll need your email address and password ready to go. Once you're logged in, look for the wallet section, usually found at the top of the page, and give it a click. This is where you'll manage all your payment methods. Within your wallet, find the option to link a card or bank. It might say link a new card or something similar. Click on that to get started. Now comes the important part. Carefully enter all the information from your Visa gift card. This includes the 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the security code. That's the 3-digit number typically found on the back of the card. Next, PayPal will ask for a billing address. This is crucial. You'll need to use the exact address associated with your Visa gift card. This is usually available on the gift card packaging or the website where the card was purchased. If you skip this step, PayPal will not accept the card. Double-check all the information you've entered, and then click Save if everything matches up. Your Visa gift card should now be successfully linked to your PayPal account. Congratulations! You are now able to use your Visa gift card to make purchases through PayPal. Choose PayPal at checkout on your favorite sites and enjoy the ease of using your gift card balance online. Now get out there and use your gift card how you want.